Hey folks, I'm out here on the archery course, but I brought some stuff out here as well that I want to show you. And so yeah, without further ado, this is one version of our all-round hook with a compound curve that I've been talking about. So this one here is the version with a shorter handle, which is about 12 centimeters long, and the 7 centimeter blade comes with a very nice leather sheath, as you can see. And there's also going to be another version with a 6 centimeter blade, which is smaller one, of course. This is great for all kinds of spoons. I really find this size here, the 7 centimeter, great. 6 centimeter is going to be great too. And then there's going to be a drop down menu with a longer handle as well. So that's, like I said, 12 centimeters right now. There's going to be one with 15 centimeters as well. I thought it's just going to be cool to have this option. Of course, we've got this octagonal handle that's 3 centimeters here at the widest point, which I find to be perfect for all sizes. We've got to have something like an inch in height here, so there's a little bit of an oval barrel shape, if you will, to the handle, which is good if you have it lying in your hand like this, especially in your fingers. It wants to lie in there nicely rather than something that is basically symmetrically octagonal. That's just what I've found over the years. Handle's going to be from very nice ash. We've worked on the bevels for a very long time, so they have this combination of a straight edge with somewhat of a convex. Bearing steel, bloody sharp, what can I say? So as you can see here in this compound curve, I hope it's focusing actually, we've got a smaller radius and then we've got a wider radius, and this is just such a great spoon knife here, hook knife here for eating spoons and bigger spoons, because it's nearly symmetric in this part of the blade, and then it's got this nice smaller radius in the front. And I'm just gonna give you a short demonstration. These gonna be available from the website. There's gonna be another video showing you the 6 centimeter version, but if you're looking for one spoon knife, and I'm a huge proponent, of course, for like your 3-part spoon carving kit, as you can imagine. That's just what I've been designing, and that's what I love. And yeah, this is it basically. This is what I recommend if you are limited in funds, limited in space in your carving bag, or traveling or something like that. Bring us an axe, bring a Sloyd knife. That's gonna do so many different jobs for you, not only carving but so many other things as well. That's why the classic Swedish Sloyd knife is so great. And here, of course, we have really an option. A knife's never gonna be too small, a hook knife. They can be too big, but a compact knife like this that really does anything from literally eating spoons, even scoops, smaller stuff, all the way out to a cooksa. If you really wanna get into it by hand, this is gonna do everything. And yeah, there's definitely some extra meat on the handle if you feel like you wanna whittle it down. I always do this on all of our tools. It doesn't matter if it's a hook, an axe, a knife. There is always a little bit of extra meat in the ash handle, because I really think that people should have the ability and some extra space to actually put in their own facets if they want to. So without further ado, let's just bring it in. So just a little bit of unfinished business here on this one. And you can see this is dry maple. I'm going slow, not using a lot of force. There is no force needed. I'm just really concentrating on leaving a nice finish right now, using somewhat more of the open curve. Let's go sideways here a little bit so you guys can see this a little bit better, because this spoon is nearly finished. That is really the strength of these compound curve all-round spoons. Spoon knives, sorry, hook knives. That you can finish these eating spoons pretty much without any facets left. It's maybe hard to see, but there is Literally no visible facets on this one anymore. And now we can use a little bit of the tighter curve just for fun right here. You can see how controlled I can work with this knife, which is basically a testimony to its sharpness. I don't need to put any force in here. This allows me effortlessly to do the finishing cuts. It actually finishes in both directions. I mean, it's pretty incredible. Right now here, I didn't really even have to go across or anything. It literally carved against the grain to finish this part of the spoon bowl, and you see there's just nothing left to really clean up. This ball bearing steel just takes such a wicked edge. Just gripping it really far back the handle right now because I don't even need any power from my right hand. It's just guiding the bevel. It's so sharp. And just like that, we basically have a perfect bowl without any facets nearly. Smooth. Huge delight to eat with, just like that. So here's just a quick demo of our new all-round hook, the compound curve version that is so versatile. Definitely my favorite one tool option when it comes to anything hollowing. This is the bigger version, and then there's gonna be a 6cm version that's gonna be a little bit shorter, and that's gonna be extremely aggressive cutting. And as you can tell, I opted for a much thicker spine and stock thickness on these. There's no flex in here whatsoever, and this is very important for me. I'm really a very big fan of spoon knives and knives in general without any flex. It's just like a full suspension mountain bike that's gonna take a lot of effort just into the suspension. Here, this is like a hardtail. Every bit of energy that you put in a knife is gonna end up really in the edge, in the workpiece, and this is what we want. Highest efficiency, least fatigue, highest amount of safety, highest amount of success and fun. So here we go, the Svarajic and Woodsman's Finest all-round hook knife, available from woodsmansfinest.com exclusively. Thanks folks. Cheerio.